Assessing the Yulan, unveiling key innovations in amphibious assault ship design. Introduction. On December 27, 2024, China launched the Sichuan, the first vessel of the Yulan-Class Amphibious Assault Ship at the Hudong shipyard in Shanghai. This event marks a pivotal advancement in China's naval capabilities, particularly in the context of amphibious operations. The Type 076 ship integrates several key innovations that enhance its operational utility, positioning it as a formidable asset in modern naval warfare. This report will explore the innovations and features of the Yulan class, the implications for regional and global military dynamics, and the broader context of China's military modernization efforts. Comprehensive summary of the Yulan-Class Amphibious Assault Ship. Key innovations and features. 1. Electromagnetic catapult technology. The Sichuan is equipped with an advanced electromagnetic catapult system, a technology previously demonstrated on the Chinese aircraft carrier Fujian. This allows for the efficient launch and recovery of heavier fixed-wing aircraft, including jets and drones. The capability to launch aircraft from an amphibious assault ship significantly enhances the operational flexibility and striking power of the vessel. 2. Dual-island superstructure. The unique dual-island design of the Sichuan distinguishes it from other amphibious assault ships worldwide. This architectural innovation optimizes navigation and flight operations, allowing for improved management of air traffic during missions. The dual-island configuration facilitates simultaneous flight operations and enhances situational awareness for the crew. 3. Operational capabilities. With a displacement of 40,000 tons, the Sichuan is designed to support the deployment of ground forces while providing air cover. The vessel can transport troops and equipment, launch airstrikes, and conduct amphibious assaults, thereby expanding China's power projection capabilities beyond its coastal waters. This strategic shift indicates a desire to assert influence in the Asia-Pacific region amid rising regional tensions. Timeline of events. December 27, 2024, the Sichuan is launched, marking the unveiling of the Yulan-Class Amphibious Assault Ship. Prior developments. The electromagnetic catapult technology showcased on the Fujian 2 years prior is now integrated into the Sichuan, demonstrating a trajectory of continuous improvement in naval engineering. International implications and comparisons. The launch of the Sichuan has raised significant concerns among international observers regarding the balance of power in contested maritime regions. The advanced capabilities of the Yulan-class ships could challenge existing naval strategies, particularly those of the U.S. Navy, which has increasingly focused on other areas of military engagement. As the U.S. Navy's commitment to traditional expeditionary and humanitarian missions wanes, China's enhanced amphibious capabilities may compel a reevaluation of naval strategies by other countries, particularly in the Asia-Pacific. Comparison with U.S. naval capabilities. The introduction of the Yulan-class ships draws parallels with the U.S. Navy's amphibious assault ships such as the America-class. However, the incorporation of electromagnetic catapult technology in the Sichuan allows it to function similarly to a light aircraft carrier, giving it a distinct advantage in terms of air power. The growing capabilities of the Chinese Navy, now the largest in the world by hull count, further complicate the strategic landscape. Commonalities and differences in sources. The analysis of the Sichuan's launch reveals both commonalities and differences across various sources. Most sources emphasize the significance of the Sichuan's launch as a critical component of China's naval modernization strategy. They highlight the innovative technologies employed, particularly the electromagnetic catapult system. However, some sources focus on the specific military capabilities and strategic advantages that the Yulan-class ships present, while others delve into the broader geopolitical implications of China's naval expansion. The discussion surrounding the potential shift in regional power dynamics is prevalent, reflecting concerns about the implications for U.S. naval strategy and the stability of the Asia-Pacific region. Conclusion. The launch of the Sichuan represents not only a technological leap in amphibious assault ship design but also a reflection of China's growing ambition to assert its military presence on a global scale. The Yulan-Class Amphibious Assault Ships with their advanced capabilities are poised to play a crucial role in shaping future naval engagements and power dynamics in the Asia-Pacific region. As China continues to modernize its navy and expand its operational reach, the international community will need to closely monitor these developments and their implications for regional stability and security. The Sichuan and its sister ships signify a new era in naval warfare where the ability to project power across vast distances becomes increasingly vital for national defense and international influence. The launch of China's Yulan-Class Amphibious Assault Ship the Sichuan represents a notable advancement in naval warfare technology, particularly through its innovative features and strategic implications. While the primary narrative focuses on the enhancements in military capabilities and the shift in regional power dynamics, several counterintuitive aspects emerge from the analysis of the Sichuan and its significance within the broader context of global naval operations. 1. Amphibious assault ships as light aircraft carriers. While amphibious assault ships have traditionally been viewed as platforms primarily for troop deployment and support, the Sichuan's design blurs the line between an amphibious assault ship and a light aircraft carrier. The integration of an electromagnetic catapult enables the launch of heavier fixed-wing aircraft, which is a capability not typically associated with amphibious assault ships. This counterintuitive feature challenges the conventional understanding of such vessels, suggesting that they could play dual roles in modern naval operations capable of both land assault and air support. 2. Strategic reach beyond coastal waters. The perception that amphibious assault ships are primarily designed for regional conflicts is upended by the Sichuan's capabilities. With a displacement of 40,000 tons and the ability to project air power further from shore, the ship signifies a strategic shift in China's military doctrine. This move aims not only to enhance regional influence but also to establish a presence in global maritime affairs. The counterintuitive implication is that such ships, while they may be designed for local operations, can serve as instruments of power projection on a much larger scale, challenging the notion of their limited operational scope. 3. The role of technology in naval power dynamics. The emphasis on technology, specifically the electromagnetic catapult, highlights a shift in how naval power is perceived. Traditionally, naval strength has been associated with the sheer number of vessels or total tonnage. However, the deployment of advanced technology such as that seen in the Sichuan suggests that qualitative advancements may outweigh quantitative measures. This counterintuitive perspective implies that nations focusing on innovative technologies may alter the balance of naval power more significantly than those merely increasing ship counts. 4. Implications for U.S. naval strategy. The launch of the Sichuan raises questions about U.S. naval strategy in the Asia-Pacific region. The U.S. Navy's historical focus on expeditionary and humanitarian missions is being challenged by China's modernization efforts. The counterintuitive aspect here is that while the U.S. has long been regarded as the dominant naval power, its strategic pivot may undercut the effectiveness of traditional naval engagements. The emergence of the Yulan-class ships suggests that U.S. naval superiority can no longer be taken for granted, necessitating a re-evaluation of strategies and resources. 5. Global naval arms race. The Sichuan's launch may catalyze a new arms race, particularly among nations in the Asia-Pacific region. While some analysts view the expansion of China's naval capabilities as a threat, the counterintuitive reality is that it may also prompt other nations, including Japan, South Korea, and even Australia, to bolster their own naval forces. This could lead to a more complex security environment where cooperative regional security efforts become increasingly difficult due to heightened competition. 6. Perception of amphibious operations. Historically, amphibious operations have been perceived as lower intensity compared to other forms of naval warfare. The introduction of the Sichuan suggests a rethinking of this perspective. The ability to launch airstrikes and support ground operations significantly elevates the role of amphibious forces in modern warfare, making them critical components of both offensive and defensive strategies. This counterintuitive shift may change how military planners view the importance of amphibious capabilities in overall military strategy. 7. Political messaging and domestic implications. The launch of the Sichuan is as much about domestic politics as it is about military capability. It serves as a symbolic demonstration of China's technological prowess and military modernization efforts. The counterintuitive implication is that the significance of such vessels extends beyond military applications to include aspects of national pride and political legitimacy. By showcasing advancements in naval technology, the Chinese government reinforces its narrative of rising global status and rejuvenated national strength. In conclusion, the launch of the Sichuan and the innovations embodied in the Yulan-Class Amphibious Assault Ship underscore a transformative phase in naval warfare. The counterintuitive aspects examined highlight the profound implications of this vessel not just for China, but for global naval power dynamics and strategies. As countries reassess their military capabilities in light of these advancements, the balance of power in contested waters may increasingly depend on technology, strategic innovation, and the ability to adapt to new forms of warfare. The launch of the Sichuan, China's first Yulan-Class Amphibious Assault Ship, is a pivotal moment in the evolution of naval warfare and reflects significant advancements in military technology and strategy. While much of the discussion surrounding the Sichuan has centered on its impressive specifications and capabilities, there are several nuanced aspects of this development that may be overlooked but are critical to understanding its broader implications. 1. Electromagnetic catapult technology. The integration of an electromagnetic catapult on the Sichuan is not only a technical achievement but also a strategic game-changer. This technology allows for the rapid and efficient launching of heavier aircraft, including advanced fighter jets and unmanned aerial vehicles (UAVs). While many reports highlight its capability to launch various aircraft, the significance lies in how this technology can enhance operational flexibility and efficiency. Significance: the electromagnetic catapult facilitates a higher sortie rate compared to traditional steam catapults, enabling the ship to respond more rapidly to threats and operational demands. This capability is especially crucial in modern warfare, where speed and adaptability can determine the outcome of engagements. 2. Dual-island superstructure design. The unique dual-island design of the Sichuan sets it apart from other amphibious assault ships and is indicative of innovative naval architecture. This configuration allows for improved command and control, better visibility for flight operations, and optimized crew efficiency. Significance: the dual-island design enhances situational awareness and operational command during complex missions, particularly in contested environments. This design can lead to more coordinated and effective responses during amphibious operations, making the ship a formidable asset in any naval engagement. 3. Strategic shift in military doctrine. The launch of the Sichuan signifies a broader strategic shift in China's military doctrine. The focus on amphibious assault capabilities reflects an intention to project power beyond its immediate coastal waters, particularly in the Asia-Pacific region. This aligns with China's ambitions to assert its influence in maritime disputes and regional security dynamics. Significance: by enhancing its amphibious capabilities, China is positioning itself to conduct more complex military operations such as rapid troop deployments and combined arms operations, which could be critical in scenarios involving Taiwan or other territorial disputes. This shift emphasizes China's commitment to modernizing its military and adapting to new geopolitical realities. 4. Implications for regional security dynamics. The Sichuan's capabilities raise alarms regarding the balance of power in the Asia-Pacific. As the U.S. Navy shifts focus away from traditional expeditionary missions, the introduction of the Yulan-class ship could prompt neighboring countries to reassess their own naval strategies and capabilities. Significance: this development could lead to an arms race in the region as nations like Japan, India, and Australia may feel compelled to enhance their naval capabilities in response to China's growing power projection. The dynamics of alliances and partnerships may also shift, with countries seeking to bolster their collective security arrangements against a more assertive Chinese military. 5. Technological integration and future developments. The Sichuan is a culmination of various technological advancements that have been developed over recent years. The integration of capabilities such as advanced radar systems, electronic warfare measures, and unmanned systems show a trend towards multi-domain operations in naval warfare. Significance: the successful integration of these technologies on the Sichuan paves the way for future naval platforms that may incorporate even more advanced capabilities. This evolution reflects a broader trend in military modernization where joint operations between air, sea, and land forces become increasingly seamless, enhancing overall combat effectiveness. 6. Geopolitical messaging. The launch of the Sichuan is also a significant geopolitical statement. It signals China's determination to enhance its military capabilities in a way that challenges the status quo in regional and global security. The timing of the launch amidst ongoing tensions in the South China Sea and the Taiwan Strait amplifies this message. Significance: by showcasing its military advancements, China sends a clear signal to both regional adversaries and potential allies regarding its intentions and capabilities. This posturing can influence diplomatic negotiations and alter perceptions about China's willingness to use military force in pursuit of its national interests. 7. Potential for asymmetric warfare. The capabilities of the Yulan-Class Amphibious Assault Ship could enable China to conduct asymmetric warfare strategies, particularly in contested maritime regions. The ability to launch aircraft and support ground operations from a mobile platform expands the scope of potential military operations. Significance: this ability to project power in a flexible manner could allow China to conduct surprise operations or rapid responses to perceived threats, complicating the strategic calculus for regional adversaries. It also underscores the importance of understanding evolving warfare concepts in the context of modern naval engagements. Conclusion: the launch of the Sichuan is a landmark development in the realm of amphibious assault ship design, but its implications extend far beyond technological advancements. The nuanced aspects of its design capabilities and the strategic messaging it conveys are crucial for understanding the evolving maritime landscape in the Asia-Pacific region. As nations adapt to these changes, the significance of the Sichuan will likely resonate through future naval engagements and geopolitical interactions, marking a new chapter in maritime power dynamics. 1. Electromagnetic catapult technology. The integration of advanced electromagnetic catapult technology on the Yulan-Class Amphibious Assault Ship, specifically the Sichuan, represents a significant leap in naval capabilities. This technology, previously showcased on the Chinese aircraft carrier Fujian, allows for the efficient launch of heavier fixed-wing aircraft including fighter jets and unmanned drones. The capability to launch and recover these aircraft enhances the operational versatility of the vessel, allowing it to function similarly to a light aircraft carrier. This advancement not only underscores China's technological progress but also reflects its strategic intent to enhance power projection and combat readiness. 2. Dual-island superstructure design. The unique dual-island superstructure of the Sichuan is a notable innovation that optimizes navigation and flight operations. This design sets the Yulan-class apart from other amphibious assault ships globally by streamlining command and control processes. The configuration facilitates simultaneous operations and enhances situational awareness, thereby improving the ship's overall operational efficiency. The dual-island design is indicative of a broader trend in naval architecture aimed at maximizing functionality in multi-domain operations. 3. Expansion of operational reach. The Yulan-class ships are engineered to support ground troop deployments while providing air cover, enabling China to extend its operational reach beyond its coastal waters. This capability is especially significant in the context of rising tensions in the Asia-Pacific region where China seeks to assert its influence. By enhancing its amphibious capabilities, China aims to project power more effectively, thereby altering the maritime balance in contested areas. The strategic implications of this expansion are profound, prompting a reevaluation of naval strategies among regional and global powers, notably the United States. For geopolitical ramifications, the launch of the Sichuan has significant international implications, particularly concerning the balance of power in the Asia-Pacific region. As China's navy becomes increasingly capable, the US and its allies may need to reassess their naval postures and strategies. The Yulan-Class ships with their advanced capabilities could shift operational dynamics, compelling other nations to enhance their military readiness and potentially leading to an arms race in naval capabilities. This development raises critical questions about maritime security, regional stability, and the future of military engagement in contested waters. Here are three famous historical cases that are similar to the content regarding the innovations in amphibious assault ship design and military naval capabilities. 1. The launch of the USS Wasp LHD-1. The USS Wasp, an amphibious assault ship in the United States Navy, was launched in 1989 and represents a significant advancement in naval technology and amphibious warfare capabilities. The Wasp-class ships were designed to support Marine Corps operations and included features such as a flight deck capable of handling helicopters and vertical takeoff and landing aircraft. The introduction of the Wasp class marked a shift in how the U.S. could project power and conduct amphibious operations, showcasing innovations in ship design, including a well deck for launching landing craft and vehicles. The USS Wasp's capabilities have played a crucial role in various military operations since its commissioning, including humanitarian assistance and disaster relief missions. 2. The introduction of the British HMS Ocean. HMS Ocean, a helicopter carrier and the largest ship in the Royal Navy, was commissioned in 1998. It served as a key asset for amphibious operations, providing a platform for deploying troops, vehicles, and aircraft. The ship was equipped with a flight deck and could operate various helicopters and vertical takeoff jets, making it a versatile asset for naval operations. Its design allowed for rapid deployment of forces in crisis situations, similar to the strategic roles envisioned for modern amphibious assault ships like the Yulan-class. HMS Ocean has seen significant action, including deployments in the Gulf War and operations in the Balkans, demonstrating the importance of amphibious assault capabilities in modern warfare. 3. The development of the French Mistral-class amphibious assault ship. The Mistral-class amphibious assault ships, introduced in the French Navy in the mid-2000s, are notable for their innovative design and operational capabilities. These ships are equipped with a well deck for landing craft, a flight deck for helicopters, and a unique bow design that allows for beach landings. The Mistral class has been employed in various missions, including humanitarian aid and military operations, highlighting their role in power projection and amphibious warfare. The introduction of the Mistral-class ships illustrated a shift in naval strategy, focusing on rapid response and versatility, akin to the advancements seen in China's Yulan-class vessels. These historical cases exemplify the evolution of amphibious assault ship design and the strategic importance of such vessels in military operations, reflecting how advancements in technology and design can significantly impact naval capabilities and operational effectiveness. Future outlook: predictions for the future of amphibious assault ship design and naval warfare. The launch of China's Yulan-class amphibious assault ship, the Sichuan, marks a pivotal moment in naval warfare and amphibious operations. As nations adapt to the evolving landscape of military technology and strategic priorities, several predictions can be made about the future of amphibious assault ship design and its implications for global naval power dynamics. 1. Advancements in technology integration. Future amphibious assault ships are likely to see a continued integration of cutting-edge technologies such as advanced electromagnetic systems, artificial intelligence (AI), and autonomous vehicles. As demonstrated by the Sichuan's electromagnetic catapult, the ability to launch heavier and diverse types of aircraft will become standard. This trend will lead to ships capable of supporting a wider array of missions, including anti-submarine warfare, electronic warfare, and humanitarian assistance. Prediction: by 2030 we may witness the introduction of fully autonomous amphibious assault ships equipped with advanced AI systems capable of decision-making in complex combat scenarios, enhancing operational efficiency and reducing crew risk. 2. Increased focus on multi-domain operations. The future of amphibious assault ships will be characterized by a shift towards multi-domain operations combining land, air, and maritime capabilities. The dual-island superstructure of the Sichuan allows for better command and control, enabling simultaneous operations across different domains. Prediction: by 2035 we expect to see a new class of amphibious assault ships specifically designed for integrated operations with ground forces, air support, and cyber capabilities, forming a cohesive multi-domain task force. 3. Enhanced power projection capabilities. The launch of the Sichuan signals China's intent to extend its power projection capabilities beyond its coastal waters. The ability to deploy ground forces rapidly and provide air support from sea will be crucial in future conflicts, especially in contested regions such as the South China Sea and the Taiwan Strait. Prediction: by 2035 we anticipate that nations will increasingly utilize amphibious assault ships for rapid deployment in crisis scenarios, leading to the establishment of forward operating bases that can support sustained military operations far from home waters. 4. Geopolitical tensions and naval arms race. The introduction of advanced amphibious assault ships like the Sichuan is likely to exacerbate geopolitical tensions, particularly in the Asia-Pacific region. As nations react to China's military modernization, there may be a resurgence of naval arms races, with countries investing heavily in similar capabilities. Prediction: by 2030 we could see an increased proliferation of amphibious assault ships and related technologies among regional powers, prompting a reevaluation of naval strategies and alliances, particularly between the US, Japan, India, and Australia. 5. Sustainability and environmental considerations. As naval forces modernize, there will be a growing emphasis on sustainability and environmental considerations in ship design and operations. Future amphibious assault ships may incorporate green technologies to reduce their environmental footprint, including hybrid propulsion systems and waste management innovations. Prediction: by 2040 all new amphibious assault ships will likely be designed with sustainability in mind, meeting stringent environmental standards while maintaining operational capabilities. 6. Cybersecurity and electronic warfare. The increasing reliance on advanced technologies also raises concerns about cybersecurity and electronic warfare. Future amphibious assault ships will need robust cybersecurity measures to protect against potential threats and ensure operational integrity in contested environments. Prediction: by 2035 we foresee the development of specialized cyber units within naval forces trained to defend and conduct offensive cyber operations alongside traditional naval warfare, making cybersecurity a core component of naval strategy. 7. Joint operations and interoperability. As global conflicts become more complex, the need for joint operations and interoperability among allied forces will be paramount. Future amphibious assault ships will likely be designed to operate seamlessly with various allied systems and platforms, enhancing collective defense capabilities. Prediction: by 2030 we expect major naval powers to standardize interoperability protocols, enabling amphibious assault ships from different nations to operate together effectively in multinational operations. Conclusion: the launch of the Yulan-Class Amphibious Assault Ship represents not only a significant technological advancement but also a shift in the strategic landscape of naval warfare. As nations adapt to new challenges and opportunities, the future of amphibious assault ships will be shaped by technological innovation, geopolitical dynamics, and the evolving nature of warfare. The implications of these developments will resonate across the globe, influencing naval strategies and international relations for decades to come.